These bananas look excellent today.
The journey of our delicious banana slices begins in lush, sun-drenched plantations. Skilled workers meticulously sort bananas, ensuring only the finest make it to the next stage. Skilled American workers meticulously harvest firm, ripe bananas, ensuring their delicate quality from the start. The journey of perfect bananas begins carefully transported to our state-of-the-art facility.
Keep it coming back slowly now. Easy. And stop. You're good to go.
The raw materials arrive carefully transported to ensure their pristine condition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Precision sorting begins, ensuring only the finest bananas proceed to the next stage of production.
These bananas look excellent today.
They really do, nice and firm.
Every banana undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only premium fruit proceeds. Through meticulous inspection, we ensure only the finest bananas are prepared for our premium products. Precision cleaning begins as perfectly ripe bananas enter the automated washing station. Advanced machinery ensures every banana receives a meticulous, hygienic cleanse. Cleanliness is paramount, preparing the fruit for its next delicate stage. Each banana is prepared to the highest standard, ensuring pristine quality. Continuous monitoring guarantees consistent standards throughout the entire cleaning cycle. Each banana undergoes careful inspection and peeling by skilled hands. De-stringing ensures a smooth texture, enhancing the final product's quality. The journey from raw fruit to a perfectly peeled core is a testament to meticulous effort. Every peeled banana is a perfect canvas ready for the next delicious transformation. Every step is performed with unwavering focus, upholding the highest quality standards. From golden peel to pristine flesh, the process ensures unparalleled purity. Even the smallest details are handled with expert care. The meticulous peeling and de-stringing process guarantees a superior product. This vital lemon solution bath protects the bananas, ensuring they maintain their vibrant color. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Post-treatment, each banana maintains its perfect state, testament to careful processing. Seamlessly, the bananas progress through the pre-treatment area,
Okay,
perfectly
I'll adjust
prepared.
the settings right away.
Each banana perfectly prepared continues its journey to become a delightful sugar-coated treat. Our meticulous process begins with hand peeling, ensuring only the finest bananas proceed. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality control, ensuring perfection. Their keen eye ensures no string or discoloration goes unnoticed. Automated precision begins as perfectly ripe bananas enter the advanced slicing machinery. The machines operate with rhythmic efficiency, ensuring every slice meets the highest quality standards. Each banana is transformed with precise automated movements, maintaining its natural integrity. Every slice is a testament to quality, uniformed and pristine, ready for the next meticulous step. Precision slicing begins, transforming each banana into uniform pieces for the next stage. Each cut is a testament to engineering excellence, creating slices of perfect, consistent thickness. Each pristine slice embarks on the next phase, a journey of transformation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Every slice undergoes precise measurement, ensuring uniform thickness for optimal drying. Fresh banana slices are gently introduced into pristine stainless steel vats for their sugar coating. An automated dispenser activates, ready to shower the slices with pure cane sugar. The automated process ensures every slice receives a uniform, high-quality sugar coating. The vats gently rotate, allowing the banana slices to marinate and fully absorb the sugar. The banana slices are now uniformly coated, glistening with sugar, and ready for the next stage. Gentle rotation ensures each slice is perfectly coated, initiating the sweet transformation. As the sugar dissolves, it begins to beautifully absorb into the fruit, enhancing its natural sweetness. Multiple vats work in harmony, each transforming slices with precision and care. The meticulous process ensures the sugar is fully absorbed, creating a perfect balance of flavor. Expert workers meticulously prepare banana slices, ensuring perfect spacing for optimal drying. This careful arrangement ensures consistent drying and preserves the banana's natural flavor. Every slice is handled with care, ensuring premium quality in the final product. From marination to precise placement, every step guarantees product excellence. Skilled hands meticulously prepare banana slices for the crucial drying stage. The prepared slices enter the industrial vacuum dryer where moisture is precisely removed. batch undergoes a final visual inspection, ensuring only the finest quality reaches consumers. Every batch undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the highest quality reaches consumers. The characteristic snap confirms its perfect, chewy yet firm texture, a hallmark of quality. Every nuance of color is scrutinized, a testament to the stringent quality control measures. The moment of truth, a careful taste test confirms the perfect balance of sweetness and natural banana flavor. With confidence, the expert grants final approval, affirming the product's superior quality. Precision weighing ensures every package contains the perfect amount of delicious banana slices. Advanced technology guarantees consistent quality in every single serving. Precision machines swiftly drop perfectly weighed portions, ensuring consistent quality in every bag. Each bag is carefully filled, preserving the integrity of the delicious, sugar-coated slices. Advanced vacuum sealing locks in freshness, preserving the crisp texture and vibrant flavor. Skilled American workers perform meticulous quality checks, ensuring only the best product reaches consumers. From harvest to sealed package, efficiency and quality define every step of our process. Our dedicated teams meticulously inspect and package every delicious bag, ensuring premium quality. From individual bags to palletized shipments, our care ensures products reach their destination in perfect condition. Ready for global distribution, our delicious banana slices are prepared for their journey to customers.